COVID-positive patients at a level 1 COVID government hospital in UP's Prayagraj were filmed protesting inside the hospital campus against what they said were inhuman conditions at the hospital. In this 3-minute mobile video clip that went viral on social media, men, women and children can be seen standing outside the entrance of the hospital. This was in Prayagraj's Kotwa Bani area, where they're angrily questioning the facilities, claiming they have no water and are being treated like animals.
जानवर बना दिया।
हम लोग जानवर हम लोगों को पानी नहीं चाहिए।
पानी पीने का है नहीं, तू नाश्ता लेके
खाना कच्चा याद, रोटी आधी पकी आधी कच्ची जो है, कल रात से पीने का पानी नहीं है, लोग प्यासे मर रहे हैं।
All right, well, let's go across to Alok for more on that. Alok, so what are they saying officially regarding, this video that has gone viral in which people are protesting, claiming they're being treated like animals, they have no water as well?
So a lot of journalists in Prayagraj, they asked the local authorities for a clarification, and that clarification was issued by the chief medical officer last night, where he said that there was a problem with the regular water supply for about 2 hours because an MCB, an electrical switch, had actually tripped. And that there was water in the overhead tank. That's what the press note says. But that water is not used by those patients for taking a bath. They prefer fresh water. But the press note then says that they called an electrician and rectified the problem in about 2 hours. That's what it claims. But if you hear what the patients are saying there, and these are COVID-positive patients, mind you, who are protesting outside their hospital gates, and they say that, look, it's not only about the water, we are treated like animals. That's something that they are saying, and they say that even the food that is being served to us is of very bad quality. One lady actually in that video says that if you cannot treat us properly, then you send us home. We'd prefer to actually go home and we'll manage our own situations, but you cannot treat us like this. Now, I think the larger question is, or the larger issue is, that this is not the first time that something like this has been reported from a hospital in UP. I remember 2 specific instances, one from Itawa and one from Agra, both are West UP districts, and there were reports that COVID-19 hospitals or dedicated COVID-19 wards inside hospitals were in a bad way, and then the government had reacted to say that they were actually treating each case and looking at each case and rectifying whatever issues there were. Just one last point. A few days ago, the government interestingly ordered that mobile phones in level 2 and level 3 COVID hospitals would not be allowed, because there was an order issued saying that it could lead to contamination of the hospital ward, and then there was a lot of outrage and people asked for the logic ki bhai aisa kyun? Why are you saying this? And then that order was withdrawn, so mobile phones were allowed then in level 2 and level 3 COVID hospitals, and this of course was a level 1 COVID hospital where the patients are being treated. Now, if there wasn't a mobile phone present at that point of time, then perhaps we wouldn't have got to know of the kind of arrangements or allegations about the kind of arrangements inside that hospital.
All right, Alok, thanks so much for joining us with all those details.